Hello my minions! Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but here's a Kenny makeup tutorial. I always start by blushing my face, mostly my nose. Now I take my Lemonade Craze palette and use the reddish pink one, but not the peach one. Doing my nose first. Open your mouth and dab on the reddish pink onto the side. For doing your nose, just dab it on, and I know it looks like it's in my nose, but that's just the angle. Take a feather brush for highlighting your cheeks and nose bridge. I'm using Take Me to Brazil's white highlighter, but any glittery white highlighter will do. Taking my NYX Ultimate palette, I'm using the orange, bright pink, red, and dark pink purple. Just start applying random colors of those types onto your nosebleed base and lip side. Now taking my The Nudes palette, I'll use this dark midnight-ish color for a little bit on the base. Taking the tan brown from the palette as well and dabbing it on. This makes it look a little bit more dirty and scuffed, like he was thrown on the dirt or something. Taking my CoverGirl palette, I use the dark amber red to make it darker and a little bit more glittery. I went back in with my reddish pink to give it more brightness. Back with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, use the metallic red and the pinks. Using a red liquid lip, use your finger to dab it onto your bruises as dried blood. Back with the Nudes palette, I use the dark brown and dab it onto my bruises. Using fake blood and a toothbrush, I dab on fake blood to give our bruises a little bit more of a realistic look. Back with Lemonade Craze, I'll be using the browns and a contour brush to contour my jaw. Then taking the Nudes palette, I use the tan brown for my jawline. Then using Lemonade Craze's brown one last time for my inner eye crease. Using the Nudes brown for my inner eye crease as well. Now for mascara, I can't really give advice on this. I accidentally got the black on my nose bridge, but it's okay, we'll fix it later. Fix it with a band-aid! Since his band-aid wouldn't be clean, I dirtied it with the browns. I said I wouldn't use them again, but I forgot. Just rub the brown all over the band-aid. Taking a half-wet toothbrush and my fake blood again, I add a blood stain onto my bandage. I made it a bit too wet, but it's fine. Then I tasted the wet fake blood for some reason and regretted it. After letting all your fake blood dry, it's time to put on the wig. Then you're done, and now you're Kenny. Bye, my minions!